Hey guys, welcome back to Stacy Goes Outside. I'm playing hooky from work today to go fishing, which is the best reason to ever play hooky from work. And today I'm on beautiful Pyramid Lake in Nevada for the first time, and I am targeting cutthroat trout with guide extraordinaire Brad Bugica. And Brad, what are we going to be using today as our bait here?
Flatfish, lineman lures, maybe some spoons.
Pyramid Lake, it's no live bait lake. Artificially barbless, so we won't be harming these fish as much as you would traditionally with a barbed hook. And it's really cold. If it looks cold out here, it is. When we were coming over the hill, it was about 16 degrees, and as you know, when you're on the water, it's just a lot colder. So I've got my 2 pairs of gloves and my hand warmers. We've got a heater. We've got Larry fishing with us today, and hopefully this sun behind me will make an appearance soon because we've got to defrost. And how deep are we fishing today for these trout?
We're about 15 feet right now. We might target anywhere from 15 to 50 feet, depending on what we see on our depth finder and how these fish are reacting today.
And you know, with COVID, fishing's like one of the big, really popular outdoor activities right now. So there are quite a few boats out here that you might see. But we're gonna test our luck today and see how we do.
Oop, there you go, Stacy.
Yeah?
Go ahead and pull it out a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, give it a good hook set. Hold that rod tip up just a little bit.
Oh, do I need to do anything to the...
I'm going to set this thing off right there, okay. Just keep nice and steady pressure on it. Get this in. Hold the rod tip up just a little bit. Flashing back there.
We're at 100. $65. Oh.
Come on over this way. Come on over this way. Okay, slow down right there. Oh, he just popped off. We saw him though. That's okay.
Oh, no. All right. Let's try this again. Oh, man. Did I do something wrong there?
Not at all. That's the barbless hook.
Gotcha.
Sting off of your hands. Here you go. Okay. You got kind of 2 flicks. There you go. Just kind of pull up and wind down.
You got the clicker on?
No, you can set it off. Yeah, but it's not.
Oh, my hands are
Live at Pyramid Lake.
$140.
140 feet left.
This is where these gym workouts really come to play, guys.
90 feet. Just when he gets close to the boat, just kind of. Let's see what we got here. Closer.
You guys, if you come out here with Brad, dress warm because it's what, 12 degrees out here? 15?
24 when we started.
Maybe you're frozen, so you just gotta be warm. Brad, 36.
Just lift real easy, Stacy. Lift up, then wind down. Too close. Let's see what we got here. Can't see it yet.
25.
25 feet. Not doing a very good video job here. Just lift real easy, Stacy. Lift and wind down. There it comes. Nice one, about a 4-pounder. Lift real easy. Keep coming back. Got it. Okay.
Woo. Awesome. Alright. Look at that fish, guys.
Just popped out. If you want to hold him for a photo.
Yeah. So does the reservation do its own like policing to make sure that people are keeping the right size fish and releasing the right size fish, or like fishing game?
They don't have too many rangers for their lake.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes they'll come out on a boat, but I haven't seen that in a while.
Okay.
So it'll be back at the dock.
Gotcha.
They would check with them.
And how big did you say this lake was? But how many miles wide?
26 miles long, north to south,
Okay.
9 miles east to west.
And we're on the south end?
We're on the very south.
Okay.
There's fish all around here, though, so you can kind of pick the area you like to target. And typically October, November, fish down here. Then we'll start migrating north.
Okay.
Seems to be where we have our luck. There you go, Steve. Pull this and put it over. Okay, go ahead and grab the rod out there. Like that. Okay, good fish.
I can never get that clicker.
Come up, real easy. Wind down. Really tighten this about 2 clicks. It looks like a monster, so we're going to keep our other rounds out there. It might be one of your keeper fish.
$35.
Come under.
Yep. 7, 5.
Come back out this way. Perfect. Put this balls out. So if he's under 20 inches, you can keep him. Ooh, he's looking long.
Brad, you're making this look too easy.
Look at the tape. He's probably going to be 20 inches long.
So for a keeper size, he's got to be what?
17 to 20.
17 to 20.
He is a keeper.
All right. What a gorgeous fish.
And 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. Okay. There he is. There he is. That's a nice one.
Oh boy.
Oh, there you go, Stacy. That's a good one.
Oh, it is pulling.
Put that rod tip up just a little bit. Okay. Oh yeah. It's nice and easy. I don't want to pull back. Just pull the line down. The rod tip up just a little bit.
So Brad, since I'm at 120, we got a little bit of time here. When people are on your boat and they're fighting a big fish, what's the biggest mistake that they make that causes them to lose a fish?
Ooh, that's a great question, Stacey.
Because I hate losing fish. It sucks.
Yeah, sometimes it just happens. Sometimes they just stop reeling.
Well, I can imagine that.
Fish just gets lucky.
It is exhausting sometimes.
Come on back to the back of the boat, Stacey. Come on back this way. Keep coming, keep coming. We're going to come all the way to the back. Right over the top of the motor.
30.
A little bigger fish here that we have on. Okay, come on.
10.
There we go. Ooh, gonna see it. You're gonna see some nice head shakes here in a second. Ooh, there's some color. Oh yeah, there's a nice trout right there. There's a nice 8+ pounder. Okay, come on this side, Stacy. Come on, right on around. Larry, if you move this rod for me right here. Right here, Larry.
Pull you back out. He's out of 20.
Yep. Come on up closer to the rail, Stacy. There you go. Just kind of lift real easy. Nice and smooth. Okay, now wind down. Oh, there he comes right here. Okay, stop right there. Just lift real easy. Oh, that's a beautiful trout, Stacy,
wow.
right there. Lift real easy, and we got him. Oh yeah, right there. Beautiful Pyramid Lake Cutthroat Trout right there. Probably about 8 or 9 pounds. Whoa, maybe a 10.
Oh my God!
All right, nice job, Stacy.
Thank you.
That's a Pyramid Lake Cutthroat beauty. Wow.
Look at this, guys. Holy smokes.
Just gonna let you go.
That's awesome.
That's almost as nice as the Sacramento River salmon right there. That same similar
it's recording,
size
yeah.
almost.
Whew.
Okay, you want to hold them up for a photo?
Yeah.
Okay, and photo.
Check this out, guys. Have you ever seen a boat captain eat a banana? So we've been catching fish, as you've seen, but there are a slew of bananas on this boat, so who knows? He's just making sure.
Get that clicker off there. Alright. Looks like you've got him under control. Everybody's flying out there. Maybe we'll get double.
How deep are we right now?
13 feet. Oh, we made a little room. Yeah. Doesn't look like a monster. Not a monster. It's pissed off my foot. head shakes or something. I didn't vicious. Nice 4.5 to 5 pounder. That felt good. Good job, Lee. Clicks in the drag. It's nice and easy. Just kind of pull back and then wind in.
I get so excited, I feel like I gotta crank it in like a million miles an hour.
Nice on there. I know it's cold when we're getting ice on the end of the guides up there. The rod getting ice and everything. Let's see what it looks like. Can you slow down a little bit, Steve? Just over 20 inches. Any other trout lake, that's like a beautiful fish. But this lake, it's on the small side. Still there? Let's see. About 2 clicks of a drag forward.
Yeah, I don't know if it's not. I don't think it's on anymore. Yeah.
His lucky day.
Right? Oh no, maybe.
Oh, he's a dink. He could be another one of those micros.
Yeah, that's what it feels like. No, it came off. Hey guys, so as you can see, we've caught a lot of beautiful fish today, but you know how competitive I am. I want to break Brad's client record. And what's the biggest fish that one of your clients has caught on your boat?
18 pounds.
Oh, 18 pounds. So, okay. Maybe I'm a little bit off by 8 pounds or so, but we're going to try to find that elusive 19 or 20 pounder. So, still keeping my fingers crossed. Right, and what are we switching to now?
This is a flatfish. That'd be a ham-sized fish. Good for things. Real easy and just kind of back up.
Yep.
Don't wind anymore. Oops, perfect.
All right.
His mouth. Nice little 4.5 pounder. Looks like a steelhead. That looks just like a Eel River steelhead.
Beautiful.
From a little bit of a hook set. Okay, run just nice and steady. Come back to this quarter right here. A little bend on that rod. Right into the sun. Let's try to turn this into that sun.
This line counter wasn't reset, I guess.
Yeah, they're not the most accurate. I have one brand new out of the box and it doesn't even want to keep close reading whatsoever. Oh, this is a nice one. There's a way we can get it here. You got a turn? I'll turn the boat and stay right where you're at.
It's right there.
Oh yeah. Okay, stop. Just lift real easy. Back there. Come over forward a little bit. This way. Hold the rod out so the line doesn't touch the boat. Nice 6-7 pounder.
Uh-oh.
Our second biggest fish of the day. Okay, stop right there.
Woo!
All right, very nice, Stacy. That's a beautiful trout. Look at that.
Oh.
Woo! Beautiful. Holy.
What an amazing day.
That's a
that.
nice trout.
Look at that, guys.
Second biggest of the day.
This one's got a tag in it, guys. What will that tell us, Brett?
That'll tell us the year that this fish was planted by its color.
Okay.
And that information can be had like on Pyramid Lake Fisher's webpage.
Oh, great.
A little moss on it. It says fish probably about 5 or 6 years old. That's a good one, Stacy. Larry, let's pull that line in right here. Pull that rod tip up a little bit, Stacy. There you go. Thanks. Tighten 2 clicks, only 2.
Ooh, this one's running.
That's good, let him know. I'm in neutral.
Am I under you, or can you tell?
So slow down, Larry. Slow down.
Slow down.
Yeah, slow down. You don't want to run over the line. Okay, keep going, Larry. Keep going.
My eyesight's bad.
Yeah, I think I'm under you. Are you gaining it all, Stacy?
Yeah, it's at 140.
The teens.
Let's do it.
Ooh, that's a good one. And he's charging the boat. Come on back here.
This feels like a good one, guys. 22. Where do you want me?
You're fine right
Stay here?
Oh, it's nice one. I see a shadow.
See it?
Oh.
Oh, no!
Was it the big one? What was the big one? The glare of the sun was right there, but it was a 15.
Oh my gosh. That's
You
heartbreaking.
didn't do anything wrong again. Huh?
Okay, well that was my next question if I did something wrong.
Yeah.
Son
Nice
of a...
tension on it. The glare, I could just see his silhouette. He was
man.
like this, but he was droopy.
Alright.
Good try. Steve.
Ah.
The thrill of victory and the agony.
Ah, right?
Okay, what color is it?
Okay guys, let's see if I can keep this one on and not blow it like last time. Are we doubling up right here? You got one? Alright. That would be amazing.
I don't think they're monsters. I know mine's a little bit.
Yeah, mine's smaller. I'm at 30. Yeah, I see it. Oh, it's diving. Diving. Oh, come on. There you are.
Lift real easy.
Yep. All right.
Lure just popped out. You can reel this one in too.
Okay.
Let's take care of this guy. Wow, what a pretty fish.
Ooh, that's a beauty.
It's pretty.
Gosh, so pretty.
Going back to the corner right there.
Oh, this counter's way off. I thought I had like 200. Thank God. Okay. Oh, look at that double up, guys.
Not monsters, but divers.
What a way to end the day. Very nice, very nice. Give you some. There you go. Amazing.
Like that.
Good times.
Here we go.
All right.
All right, Stacey. Hold the rod out that way.
All right, guys, we lied. We're gonna see if we can catch a couple more.
We're on extended play.
It's just too much fun.
The weather's too nice. Fish are biting. Hard to leave.
A lot of the boats are gone. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm making no progress. Unless the counter's wrong.
Yeah, I think we're wearing our counters out.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, I'll get another one.
Oh.
Your rod tip up just a little bit.
Oh, looks like a good one.
Off.
Stay on. Stay on.
Right on up over here into this corner. There comes the little guy.
All right.
It's perfect. He's a biter.
I don't know. Kill him.
Sometimes they just run right at it.
What? No, just this one. I got a new valve for it. Warmer water, a little bit of warmer. They haven't plumbed wrong.
Oh yeah.
They would have
On 'em.
plumbed it right.
Oh no, it's not as small as I thought.
They just didn't fight with it.
Yeah. Well, it felt like it wasn't even on there. It's funny how that happens. All right.
Just popped out. Yeah.
That might be a good one to end on.
Okay.
All right. All right, we're gonna get this one back in the water. I think we're gonna call it a day, guys. What a day. There we go. Okay guys, so that's a wrap for my first cutthroat trout trip with Captain Brad. If you have not fished Pyramid Lake, you've got to get out here. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just make sure that you dress warm enough. Call up Brad, he'll get you on the trout. If you're enjoying these videos, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Check out all the different playlists that I have. If you're a fan of saltwater fishing, I've got a saltwater playlist. If you want to follow my tournament trail with the Folsom Bass team, I've got a playlist for that as well. I'm definitely going to be back out here trying to catch that 14 to 15 pounder that I lost. That's going to haunt me for the rest of the day and probably for the rest of the year. But I'll be back soon on Pyramid Lake with Captain Brad. And who knows, when I'm out here hunting down that fish, maybe I'll see you outside.